Imagine a tiny universe inside you, one that shapes your mood, energy, immunity, even your clarity of thought. Now imagine that same universe is directly connected to the health of our planet. Mind-bending, right? Scientists now say your gut isn't just connected to your brain, it is connected to the planet. And the evidence is so strong that researchers are calling it the gut-brain-planet axis, a new way to understand health, sustainability, mood, immunity, and even climate impact. Food as medicine, food as planet protector. Let's talk food, where it comes from, and what it does to both you and the planet. 1. Beyond organic, regenerative. Regenerative agriculture rebuilds soil life, and healthier soil creates foods richer in minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, all of which your gut loves. 2. The fiber revolution. Most people eat half the fiber they need. Fiber feeds good bacteria, reduces inflammation, and stabilizes mood. And producing plant fiber also reduces food waste and emissions. 3. Rethinking protein. Your gut thrives on diversity, so does the planet. Lentils, chickpeas, pulses, localized aquaculture. These protein sources reduce environmental pressure and support a healthier microbiome. You aren't just eating for energy, you're eating to build an ecosystem inside you and around you. The planet, the ecosystem around you. Inside your gut lives a galaxy of trillions of microbes that produce serotonin, regulate immunity, and decide your mood and focus. A 2025 study in Nutrients Journal found that when people switched to a more plant-rich diet, the diversity of beneficial gut bacteria increased significantly. Your inner ecosystem mirrors the planet's ecosystem. Mindful living, from plate to planet. Small lifestyle changes ripple outward. 1. Reduce food waste. Food rotting in landfills creates methane, a climate accelerant. But reducing food waste also saves you money and keeps your gut happy with fresher, whole foods. 2. Support local food systems. Local foods equals lower carbon footprint, but they're also more seasonal, diverse, and microbiome friendly. 3. Conscious consumption beyond food. When you reduce plastic, declutter, buy less, simplify, your stress levels drop, your nervous system calms, your gut relaxes, your planet breathes easier. Sustainable living isn't a philosophy, it's a nervous system reset. The Eat Lancet Commission showed that plant-forward diets can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by nearly 50%, while also lowering the risk of heart disease and early death. Another study from Harvard reports that a planetary health diet can reduce premature mortality by up to 30%. So the foods that help you live longer are the same foods that help the Earth live longer. Nature's prescription, reconnecting for resilience. Our bodies evolved with nature, and our microbes remember that. 1. Forest bathing equals microbiome boost. Research shows exposure to forests increases gut microbial diversity. More diversity equals better immunity plus mental clarity. 2. Gardening for gut and globe. Growing herbs, greens, or even chilies at home gives you fresh produce full of naturally occurring probiotics, and it reconnects you to the rhythms of nature. 3. Rewild yourself. Touch soil. Sit in sunlight. When you reconnect with the wild, your microbiome and your mind become more resilient. A 2024 study in Frontiers in Microbiology showed that just 20 minutes in nature increases microbial diversity in the gut and lowers stress hormones. Walking barefoot, gardening, forest bathing, they all help rewild your inner ecosystem. The future is fermented and flourishing. Fermentation, ancient science meets future solutions. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, pickles, idli dosa batter, they're nature's original probiotics. Why fermentation matters: preserves food sustainably, reduces waste, enhances nutrients, restores gut flora after stress. Fermented foods are microbiome medicine, ancient, accessible, sustainable. The Journal of Food Microbiology found that fermentation increases nutrient bioavailability while reducing food waste, making fermentation both a gut healer and a sustainability solution. A UN study states, food waste generates 8 to 10% of global greenhouse gases. Reducing waste, composting, cooking fresh, directly benefits both your microbiome and the planet. The future of health. So, you don't need to overhaul your life. You only need to make one aligned, conscious choice at a time. Eat more plants, support local farmers, reduce waste, spend time in nature, add one fermented food a day, simplify your consumption. Because when you heal your gut, you sharpen your mind, you lift your mood, and without even trying, you help restore the planet. This is the gut-brain-planet axis. This is the future of sustainable living. This is how you can thrive and help the earth thrive with you. I'm Thrive Shifu, and together we're building a healthier you and a healthier planet.